Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 30th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Emerald, America's largest producer of trade shows and associated conferences. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Emerald's third quarter results and their strategic initiatives.
Revenue and profitability overview. And let's start with the top line. Emerald reported revenues of $72.6 million for the third quarter of 2024, which is a slight increase from last year. However, the company posted a net loss of $11.1 million. John, can you break down these numbers for us?
Certainly. The revenue increase is marginal, primarily driven by acquisitions and scheduling differences. However, the organic revenue, which excludes these factors, actually declined by 5.3%. The net loss of $11 million is a significant swing from a net income of $10.7 million last year, largely due to intangible asset impairment charges and lower tax benefits.
And what about profitability?
Adjusted EBITDA improved to $12.5 million, up from $10.8 million last year. This increase is attributed to cost management and the discontinuation of several unprofitable events, which helped improve the margin despite the revenue challenges.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Emerald has been focusing on portfolio optimization. They've discontinued several smaller, unprofitable events. How is this expected to impact their future performance?
Emerald has discontinued 20 smaller events, which accounted for $20 million in run rate revenue. While this will negatively impact 2024's performance, it's a strategic move to enhance growth and profitability in 2025. The company is now projecting at least $400 million in revenue and $100 million in adjusted EBITDA for the full year 2024.
And how does their cash position look?
They ended the quarter with $188.9 million in cash and have full access to a $110 million revolving credit facility, which provides a solid liquidity position to support their strategic initiatives.
Strategic initiatives and market position. Emerald has also been active in returning value to shareholders. Can you tell us more about their share repurchase and dividend plans?
In the third quarter, Emerald repurchased $3.6 million of its common stock. The board has authorized an extension and expansion of the share repurchase program, allowing for up to $25 million in buybacks through the end of 2025. Additionally, they've declared a quarterly dividend of $0.15 per share.
What are the leadership's views on these initiatives?
CEO Hervé Sedki emphasized the importance of these moves in enhancing shareholder value and positioning the company for future growth. The focus remains on optimizing their event portfolio and addressing challenges in the content business to drive long-term profitability.
Risks and challenges. Despite these positive steps, there are some challenges. What are the key risks Emerald is facing?
The content business, which makes up about 5% of revenue, is experiencing sustained softness due to a challenging advertising environment. This has been a drag on overall performance. Additionally, the company recorded a $6.3 million impairment charge on intangible assets, which impacted their bottom line.
How is the company addressing these issues?
CFO David Doft expressed confidence in their strategic adjustments, stating that the changes in their portfolio and efforts in the content business position them well for 2025. They are focusing on new event launches and accretive acquisitions to drive growth.
Key takeaways. In summary, Emerald's third quarter results reflect a company in transition, focusing on strategic initiatives to drive future growth. Despite a net loss, their efforts in portfolio optimization and shareholder returns are noteworthy. John, any final thoughts?
Emerald is taking decisive steps to enhance its market position. While there are near-term challenges, their strategic focus on core profitable events and shareholder value initiatives like share repurchases and dividends are positive signs for investors.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Emerald's performance in the comments below.